Oh, you already, okay. Open it up. No, right here. Here. Just pull it open. Oh my gosh!
Oh.
Who is that? John Cena? Oh my goodness. Keep going.
Oh my goodness. The Intercontinental.
Is it Intercontinental?
As just said this Intercontinental.
It is the Intercontinental. Oh, who's this? You got a t-shirt. Who is it?
Oh my, AJ Styles.
It's AJ Styles. That's right. Okay, keep going. What else is in there? Look. Who is that?
That's a ring.
Is that, say, Daniel Bryan?
A ring?
Say yes, yes, yes.
That's a ring.
Yep, that's the ring. Who is that? That's a Bailey bear. Say Bailey.
Oh my goodness. Now open up.
Open it up.
Now open up John Cena.
You want to open up John Cena? Okay.
Oh, AJ Styles.
Look, Bubba.
Oh, who'd you get?
Nope, it's the Ultimate Warrior.
Say Ultimate Warrior.
The Intercontinental. The Intercontinental.
It's taped all the way around. Do you want a picture of this?
Where's AJ Styles?
You got AJ Styles t-shirt.
Where's AJ Styles?
That's pretty cool.
Where's AJ Styles? Where's AJ Styles? Open up. What's that?
Open up John Cena.
Open up John Cena.
You got a Bailey bear.
It's AJ Styles. It's AJ Styles. Look. AJ Styles.
AJ Styles shirt. Goodness gracious, this is really taped it. You know, one of these days we'll probably be